Most people hear about Walmart's Spark Driver and think it's easy money just for delivering groceries. But then they sign up and realize it's not always that simple. Here's the truth no one tells you. Walmart's Spark Driver can be profitable, but only if you understand how the system actually works. In this video, you'll get a clear 2026 breakdown of Walmart Spark Driver, including how it works, what you can realistically earn, and whether it is worth your time. Let's break it down step by step. Walmart Spark Driver is part of the delivery system powered by the Walmart Inc. ecosystem, where independent drivers pick up and deliver grocery or retail orders to customers. Now here's where it gets interesting. Unlike a traditional job, you are not an employee. You are an independent driver accepting offers through the Spark Driver app. So let's go step by step. First, how it works. You log into the app, see available delivery offers, accept one, pick up orders from a Walmart store, and deliver them to customers. Now, imagine someone like Jake. He logs in during peak hours, accepts a batch order, and completes multiple deliveries in one trip. That's where most of the earnings happen. But here's the problem most beginners face. They log in at the wrong times or accept low-paying offers without strategy, which makes earnings feel disappointing. Now let's talk about earnings. Pay depends on distance, order size, time, and demand in your area. Busy cities usually have more frequent orders, while slower areas may have gaps between deliveries. Now here's something important. Surge pricing and bonuses can increase earnings during peak hours like weekends, evenings, and holidays. That's when experienced drivers usually make the most money. Now let's talk about expenses. Since this is independent work, you cover your own gas, vehicle maintenance, and taxes. That's why net profit is different from gross earnings. Now here's where it gets interesting. Some drivers combine Spark with other delivery apps to stay active during slow periods. This helps reduce downtime and increase overall income stability. So let's simplify everything. You sign into the app, accept delivery offers, pick up from Walmart stores, and deliver to customers. Your earnings depend heavily on timing, location, and strategy. Now here's the biggest mistake people make. They treat Spark Driver like a guaranteed hourly job instead of a flexible gig system where timing and selection matter. So is Walmart Spark Driver worth it? It can be worth it if you live in a busy area, understand peak hours, and manage your expenses carefully. But it is not a guaranteed full-time income for everyone. Here is the final takeaway. Walmart Spark Driver in 2026 is a flexible gig opportunity with real earning potential, but success depends on strategy, location, and consistency. If this helped you understand Walmart Spark Driver clearly, like, comment, and subscribe for more honest breakdowns like this.